Are you looking to advance your career and improve your skills in an automated environment? For a limited time only, Bridgerland Technical College is offering a free automation machine operator class. That's right, a $335 class completely free. Employers in Northern Utah are investing heavily in automation. Invest in yourself by taking this hands-on class to upgrade your skills as an effective machine operator. You'll learn the fundamentals of machine operation and gain experience with critical skills, including completing changeovers, troubleshooting, preventative maintenance, and proper tool use. This class is designed for everyone, from students wanting to gain the know-how to current machine operators seeking to enhance their expertise. The best part? It's free and you can start anytime. Take the first step to improving your future. Visit btech.edu and click on the Business and Community tab to sign up for the Automation Machine Operator class today.